guys, dolls, what's up? No, I mean really, what is up? Did y'all see the video on Friday? That's gonna be too loud. Did y'all see the video on Friday? Okay, I have no idea what happened, but I was so proud of the fact that I had done a 30-minute video and it had really great information and was helpful and all this, and then I don't know what happened. I still don't know what happened because I was using my webcam. I've used it before. It's not a big deal. And I used it again like I always did, and then that sound y'all saw was just weird. So it is Sunday, and as y'all know, this year in 2013, I'm not doing weekend vlogs, but I am today to make up for Fridays. Do not be alarmed. We are on a road trip with Paperclip. He is driving. Do you want to tell them where we're going?
Places.
Do you want to tell them what we're going to do?
Things.
It's spring break this week, and so we spontaneously decided to go on a road trip. So, but anyway, that's a whole other subject. He is driving. This is his first time driving on like a long road trip. How are you doing? Are you fatigued? Are you doing well? Are you sleepy?
Considering I went to bed at like 3 o'clock in the morning, I'm fine.
3 o'clock in the morning?
Bingo.
This I was unaware of. Why 3 o'clock in the morning?
Because it was thunderstorming.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah,
It was storming last
I was
night.
wide awake until about
So you
3.
weren't like goofing. You were just awake.
No, I was goofing till 3 o'clock because I couldn't sleep.
Well, yeah.
I was
Because of the weather.
Yeah, I was completely wide awake, so I'm like, dude, I'm
Crazy.
wasting time, so I'm gonna catch up on watching videos. I watched videos, got tired at 3, then went to sleep.
And if y'all don't know, if you just tuned into my channel, hello and welcome. But if you don't know, I'm kind of doing something different. You'll notice the video looks a little bit different. I'm using paper clips I touch that we thought was broken,
It is broken.
but it's working. So how can it be working if it's broken?
The home button is broken.
But it's not anymore, sort of. Why?
You explain.
I don't know. I seriously don't know. That's why I'm having you explain to them.
Okay, you can turn on assistive touch, and it gives you a little button on your screen. You can then tap that button, and you can go to the home screen from that one button.
So, oh, thank you for, he did a good job. He censored himself. Thank you very much. I'll turn it so he can do all kind of off screen. Okay, but anyway, which is what he's doing right now. But anyway, yes, this device right here was a Christmas gift.
It will
Three
be-
Christmases ago. No, this Christmas was the third
For-
Christmas. Because you didn't get it last year.
I got
Like
it.
in 2011.
I got it freshman year.
You got it, yeah. So this is like 3-year-old, yeah, device at this
Yeah.
point, which, you know, that should tell you something about getting technology, but taking care of it too. But anyway, the little center button, you know, on the bottom wasn't working anymore, and we thought we could try to fix it, and it didn't fix, you know, by cleaning it and stuff. And so we took it to the Apple store, and they were like, oh, well, you know, if you pay
had to wait.
us X amount of
We
dollars.
had to wait for 3 hours.
Yeah.
Then what you do is you purchase a new one. And
Yeah, but the way they worded it was like, well, if you give us this old one and pay us so and so and so, we'll give you a brand new one. And it was like the price of a new one.
it is
and
the
I was
price
going,
of a new
"What?"
one of that, and all they were going to do were transfer my purchases. And I'm like, look,
Yeah,
I know how to transfer my own purchases without using
Exactly.
iTunes, because iTunes is literally the worst thing in the world. Get a SharePod that'll move your music. Do I think it's Sync iOS that'll transfer your iPad stuff. I'm not sure how it works with iPod things.
but I was just
But,
so
yeah.
proud of him that, you know, because what we did is that obviously we left, you know, we took it because I was like, well, we have to think about what we're going to do. And as you know, single mom, money situation, all that, y'all know all that stuff. If you're new to the channel, then, you know, watch some
I
other
was
videos, you'll
basically
figure it
like,
out.
I want the new one. If we're gonna have to spend,
Yeah, if we have to get a new,
if we're gonna have
yeah.
to spend the $99 plus tax
Right.
on it, I'd rather put that $100+
Right.
towards the new one and be a third of the way there.
Exactly. And so that was what we were debating on. So we were like saving up for everything. And then something just hit him last night because we were going on the road trip and he was wanting to take music with him and he couldn't find his really old big
iPod Classic. iPod
the iPod
Classic.
Classic. He
I
couldn't
couldn't
find it. So we know it's at home, but
And
we
that
don't know
plays,
where.
that'll play my music too, but
And so he was like, I'm just gonna try. And I don't even know what spurred your brain. but he got it and he went clicka, clicka, clacka, clicka, and then now he can use it. So we are more than overjoyed, and now we can do like vlogs like this, one take vlogs when we're out and about, which I think is awesome for me. I know he does it. That was lovely. Thank you for that so much. But I was gonna do kind of like a redo of Fridays now, but I'm not gonna do that because y'all don't want to see that. But that information will be coming. So if you read the title of the video from Friday, which was, I don't know what the date was, it's like the 8th or something of March 2013. If you look at that, it's about more of the selling online stuff, taxes. One of the viewers asked about selling china and selling fine jewelry, and so I will answer those questions. It'll be this week sometime. You're giving us all kind of symphony of bodily belchings.
Yeah,
But
buddy.
anyway, I will do that later. But I just wanted to apologize again. I don't know what happened with the video. It was totally funky. I haven't had a chance to look and see if the webcam is broken or something, or if it was just bizarre people not knowing what they were doing and it screwed up. But yeah, so we're having fun. It's a beautiful day. You know, for it to have been all rainy and stuff yesterday, this is what
There's
we
the
get
clouds
now.
up front.
And so it's nice and cool outside. Hope y'all were able to see that and light balanced okay. Have you got anything wonderful you want to tell these lovely folks that watch our videos? Okay, can I just say again how freaking awesome all of you are? I have now over 400, I'm getting too close to these people. I have over 400 subscribers and I'm just dumbfounded. I am just in awe. So I know there's 400 of y'all out there. So leave me comments on my videos, leave video responses, ask me questions, challenge me, because I will answer your questions. I try to respond to every single person that I see a comment come up. If you've left a comment and you haven't gotten a response, it's because I'm not seeing it in my stuff on YouTube, and that's just YouTube being weird because they do that sometimes. It gets funny. So do inbox me, do a video response, do comments. Can you think of anything else? You look sleepy. Are you sleepy? You okay? It's okay. All right, and if you haven't done it already, change your clocks.
Butts asleep.
Your fanny. We do not use the B-double-T word.
Do you want me to use the other one?
No. It's a family-friendly channel. Children don't need to be saying the B-double-T word. It's unattractive. You never got to say it. Don't give me that squirrely face look. You never got to say it. That's a bad word. You don't say bad words.
Hear what I say now.
I don't want to hear what you say now because I hear what you say now. But anyway, can you think of anything else lovely?
I'm a lad if you haven't been recording this whole
I know,
thing.
this is going to be very upsetting. I hope it's recording. So, the light's blinking. Does that mean it is recording? He's ignoring me. So, on that, thank you so much for being a viewer. Thank you for bearing with me with the bizarre video on Friday. And have a delicious, delightful, delirious day. And if you didn't change your clocks, change them, because last night was spring forward and I forgot to change our clocks. So, if you're an hour off today, you know why. And anything else? All right. So, delicious, delirious day. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.